Hey, my name is Ralph and I'm a Flexfilm. I'm going to quickly review these turbo style squeegees that we're seeing from Fusion. I also want to point out before I say one word that they come in so many different sizes, shapes, colors, durometers, that it gets very overwhelming. If I went over all that in this video, it would take forever. Let's just get to the point. Each color represents a durometer. This is the stiffest, the red, and I think the softest is the pink, okay? Let's just talk about the design of these. The largest one we're gonna get is an 8-inch, and they're made in a mold. The ones that we've seen previous to this design from other companies were probably made a little different. They were not made in molds. I think they were extruded, and they came in longer pieces. And we could always cut and customize them as well. What I like about these that I think someone thought through very well is look at the design of this. See, I like the way this is rounded off. See, when I hold this and you're using it all day, if it were like a square like the other ones are, they kind of cut into your finger and can become kind of uncomfortable. Somebody thought this through. Like, you can tell they probably are using them. You can also slide those. These are called tube squeegees, and you can slide like a PVC kind of handle on here if you like that extra grip. You can order these like in smaller sizes, where they're already pre-cut. You can cut them yourself. These are for the old school tanners that like the, if you're tinning and you want to use it for tinning, this is very old school because we like to use these squeegees, put points on them, lay our film down, do our cleaning with them. Before we probably use like a handled squeegee for leverage, like a Blue Max with a Pro Angler handle, or some of these new Fusion handles, or just any leverage type squeegee before we do our final extraction. These are these good cleaning squeegees and these pre-lay down squeegees, and I love these things. Anyway, I've been using them. I give them a thumbs up. They seem to be doing the job. I like the way they thought out the design of them, because on the other style squeegees, I would have to take the corners and I'd have to whittle them down and have to smooth everything up so I wouldn't get that fatigue, and those kind of cut into my hands. This has already been done for me. Anyway, check out on our website if you want to see these tools and all the sizes and shapes and colors and durometers they come in.